These are the problems which we discussed. I'll do a recap of all the problems. So here what we did is apply Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem to the answer options. What is Chinese remainder theorem? Write the answer options as a product of two coprimes. Write the answer options as a product of two coprimes. Question number 1. Question number 2. This is another important problem on remainder based problems. 1200 divided by n is 35. We learnt that 9 when divided by 2 it is 1. So if 1 goes in the left hand side, 8 divided by 2 remainder is 0. Second problem. Third problem. Right, we discussed two methods. One is optimization method. One is optimization method, and another thing is write down it as n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 factorial. Two methods yesterday we discussed, optimization method and n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 factorial. Next one, number of digits method. Number of digits, 2 square, 4 in base system 10 is 100 in base system 2. So 2 power 171 in base system 10 is, there will be 171 zeros. There will be 171 zeros preceded by 1. So answer for this question is 172 zeros. 172 zeros. This question also we discussed. I am finding the number of digits. Finding the number of digits and dividing by 16. This also we did it. Right? ABC in GP. If R is a natural number, R is a natural number, B square equivalent to A into C. B square is a perfect square. B square is a perfect square. We did it in ABC or in geometric progression. ABC or in geometric progression. If ABC are in arithmetic progression, 2B equivalent to A plus C. 2B equivalent to A plus C. These are nothing but an even number. Two cases we discussed yesterday. We also discussed when R, how to get the triplets when R can take the value of fractions. Next one, divided by 999. We discussed the divisibility rule of 37 and 27. 10 cube by 37 1. 10 cube by 27 is 1. 10 cube by 27 is also 1. So 999 is nothing but 27 into 37. Yesterday we discussed the divisibility rule of 27 and 37. Next one, there is a 6-digit number with the leftmost one, A, B, C, D, E. It is multiplied by 3. It becomes another 6-digit number. Right? So the digital sum in the question is equivalent to digital sum in the answer. Digital sum in the question is equivalent to digital sum in the answer. This is the method we used. Right? Number of different rational numbers, 10p2 plus 1. These 1 is when numerator is equivalent to denominator. 10p2 is numerator less than denominator or numerator greater than denominator. 10p2 plus 1. This is 6c2 minus 4. This is when 0 less than x less than 1. 0 less than m less than n. These 4 is duplicate values are eliminated. 2 by 4, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. This is one method which we discussed. Another method is using quotient function. This is the summation of quotient of n equivalent to 1 equal into k. These are some of the questions which we discussed yesterday. Right? If a natural number is a perfect square, if a natural number is a perfect square, tens place will be odd. Tens place will be odd only if the unit digit is 6. This is the learning from this question. If a natural number is a perfect square, tens place is odd only when the unit digit is 6. These also we discussed, right? Why it is not 100C10? We discussed because the sum value is becoming same even if you change the numbers. So answer for this question yesterday is 901. This question also we discussed. How to do a problems based on perfect square counting. This we discussed. Perfect square counting. This we discussed. This, right? We got the number 12 square 144. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12 is 88. These are the three numbers. This we discussed. Now we will solve our today's session. Are you all ready? Kindly reply in the live chat. Right? Yes, 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 so that I can start the class. Kindly reply in the live chat. Very, very good questions. 20 to 25 questions we will target today. We'll target today. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Question. Listen carefully, sir. Method 1. Method 1. Very important questions. In a group of 5 friends, there are 5 friends are there. Sum of the ages of each group of 4 of them are, there are 5 friends, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. There are 5 friends. The sum of the ages, let the ages be A, B, C, D, E. What is the age of the youngest of the friends? If 5 friends are there, right? Sum of the, let us keep it as a distinct ages. All the ages are different. If all the ages are different, there will be a case where all of them are in ascending order. A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. If the ages are there, A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. These are the ages of 5 friends. The ages are in ascending order. Assume the ages of these are ascending order. This is the youngest friend and this is the oldest friend. Youngest friend age is A and the oldest friend age is E. Sum of the ages of each group of 4 of them. 4 of them means A, B, C, D. Out of 5 I have to select 4. If out of 5, if I have to select 4, NCR is NC N minus R. So this is 5. 5 sums I will get. What are the 5 sums? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, E, B, C, D, E. Next one, A, C, D, E, A, B, D, E. I hope there, right? Every value is added with another 4. Every value is added with another 4. A with B, A with C, A with D. A with C, A should come 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. B should come 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. C should come 4 times. C, 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 C. E should come 4 times. E, 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 E. Yes. Sum of the ages of these 4. Sum of the ages of these 4. I hope till here it is clear, right? One important example. Then we will determine. If the ages are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, if the ages are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the lowest sum of them? Lowest sum of them can be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Am I right? The lowest is nothing but the lowest ages of 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Next one, the next lowest is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Next if I take 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. Next lowest will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Next will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Am I right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. What will be the highest? Highest is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 5. Highest is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 5. Lowest comes if you add the lowest edges of lowest 4. Highest comes if you add the weight of the highest 4. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Right? I hope with this one we will solve this question. So there are A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. Lowest is nothing but A plus B plus C plus D is nothing but 124. Next lowest is nothing but A plus B plus D plus E, which is 128. Highest is nothing but, highest is the highest foursome. B plus C plus D plus E is 142. Highest. I hope it is clear. Next highest, you take this example, sir, so that it will be clear to you. 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4 less than 5. Lowest is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is A less than, B less than, C less than D. Next lowest is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. A plus B plus D plus 4 plus 5. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you are all with me, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 2, 3, 4, 5? Which is 142. Which is 142 here. That means lowest 4 I took, next lowest 4 I took, next highest B plus C plus D plus E I will take. Now one more, if you are getting confused, we will do it later. A is added 4 times. So 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. What is these 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E? This is nothing but the sum of all the weights. This is nothing but the sum of all the weights. Please add all these. If I add all this, what will be the sum? 120, 240, 370, 500, 640. 640 plus 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 640 plus 2, 680. What is these 4 into A, B, C, D, E? They are the combination of 4 out of 5. A, B, C, D, E is one combination. A, B, D, E is another combination. A, C, D, E is another combination. A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E is another combination. What is the another? A, D. What is the another combination? A with B, A, B, C, D, A, B, D, E. Next one, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Next is A, C, D, E. Out of 5, I am selecting 4. Right. Next one, we have missed out one cases. Total 5 is there, right? 5C4 is 5C1, which is nothing but 5 cases. 5 cases. What are the 5 cases? Out of 4, A, B, C, D, one case. A, B, D, E, another case. I hope it is clear, right? A, C, D, E, another case. A with B, A with C, A with D. A with D is another case. B, C, D, E is another case. What is the another case? C, is it written 4 times? 1, twice, thrice. So C should be written 4 times. A, is it written 4 times? No. A, 3 times. D, is it written 4 times? D. C, A, C, D. So just write down what is the 4th case which is there here. We will see it little later. So I hope it is clear to you. This is exactly why traditional method is not the best method. A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This value we got. What is this value? This is nothing but A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This is nothing but 170. I hope it is clear why it is 4 into. Now I require A value. A is the youngest. A youngest means what is B plus C plus D plus E? B plus C plus D plus A is 142. 142 equivalent to 170. I got youngest as 28. 28. Just check if I did any calculation. 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. 120 plus 120, 240. 130 plus 130, 260. Next it is 140. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So these is nothing but 500. 500 plus 140, 640. 640. 500, 640, 660. 660 it is. If it is 660, 660, what it will become? 416s are. I hope the mistake is clear. 165. 142, A plus 142 is 165. A value is 23. A value is 23. I hope the approach is clear. Now again I am explaining, listen carefully sir. In case if you are not understanding, A value is 23. In case if you are not understanding, right, let me do it. There is A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. A is the youngest age. A is the youngest age. E is the oldest age. E is the oldest age. There are each group of 4 of them. Total 5 friends are there. Out of 5, if I select 4, 5C1. 5C1 is nothing but 4 cases I will get. 4 cases means A with B, A with C, A with D, A with E. A is added 4 times, B is added 4 times, C is added 4 times, D is added 4 times, E is added 4 times. So this is nothing but 124, 128, 130, 136 and 142. This is 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 660. So this is A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 165. But we want A. A is the youngest. B plus C plus D plus E. B plus C plus D plus E is nothing but the highest. Highest is 142. A plus 142 is 165. So A value is 23. A value is 23. First one answer is 23. I hope it is clear. First one answer is 23. A is the youngest. E is the oldest. Please make a note, the ages are distinct. The ages are distinct. The ages are distinct. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Please let me know, right, in case if it is not clear to you. Any doubt in this question? I hope it is clear. First one it is clear. Second one is an original exam question. There are 5 friends and the distinct ages are A, B, C, D and E. 4 of them. First 4 lowest is nothing but the lowest sum of these 4. Next sum is the next 4. Highest is nothing but the large highest. I hope it is clear. We will do one more problem. We'll do one more problem so that here it is clear. In a gymnasium, 5 friends are there. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. There are 5 friends, each having a distinct weights. Let me, because it is distinct, let me call the weights as A, B, C, D and E. In the range of 53 to 100 work, it has been observed that sum of the weights of all the possible pairs. So what we are doing in a gymnasium, distinct, it is the sum of the 3 weights. Sum of the 3 weights. Out of 5, I am selecting any 3. So these are nothing but 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So 5 into 4 divided by 2, total 10 ways I should get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 weights. What are all these 10 weights? Sum of 3 distinct weights. Sum of 3. Distinct is, okay, it is there here. Distinct is important. Sum of the distinct weights. Now 5C3 is 10. Now listen carefully, sir. Now listen carefully. Now what are the distinct weights? A plus. A is less than, B is less than, C is less than, D is less than E. Now if you observe carefully, example, if you observe this example, it will be there. 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4 less than 5. Lowest is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. Am I right? Next lowest is 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Highest is nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 5. Next highest is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 5. Am I right? Suppose if I see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lowest is these lowest sum of the 3 weights. Highest is highest sum of these 3 weights. Next lowest is 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Are you all with me? So lowest I can determine, second lowest I can determine, highest I can determine, second highest I can determine. What are that? Lowest, highest, second highest. Now see here, we can determine lowest is A plus B plus C. If you see this example, next lowest is A plus B plus D. Next highest is C plus D plus E. Next highest is B plus D plus E. Next highest is B plus D plus E. I hope it is clear. If you add all the values, these nothing but, now 1 minute, I made a mistake. Right? The sum of the weights of all the possible pairs, it has said only 2, sir. Out of 5 I am selecting 2. 5C2, it is also 10. It is not given 3. 3 is a previous management exam question. So 5C2. Now A less than, B less than, C less than. I will tell you suddenly why I realized that it should be 2 instead of 3. That also I will give an idea. A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. A plus B is 110. Next one. A plus C is 112. Next one. D plus E is 121. C plus E is 120. From where we got? From this example. I will tell you why it cannot be 3. Suddenly I realized. 1 less than, 2 less than, 3 less than, 4 less than 5. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. Highest is 4 plus 5. Next highest is 3 plus 5. Only these 4 is determined. A is added with B, A is added with C, A is added with D, A is added with E. So total it is 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. It is nothing but add all the values. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. 100 is added 10 times, 1000. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 120. It is 120. 2, 5, 9, 15, 22, 30, 39, 40. These are nothing but, I hope it is clear, right? So these are nothing but 160, 1160, 1160. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is nothing but 290. A plus B plus C plus D plus E, it is nothing but 290. From here, all the values you will get. A plus B is 110. I will use a different color. A plus B is 110. D plus E is 121. 110 plus 121, 231. 231. So this C value will be 159. Are you all with me? C value is 159. If C value is 159, A value is nothing but 53. A value is nothing but 53. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly ask me a doubt in case if you got any. Sir, how did you realize that it cannot be 3? It is 2. I will tell you exactly. Right? Why? What is that I am doing? Now, A plus B is equivalent to 110. I hope it is clear, right? This is 110. A plus C is 112. Highest is D plus E is 121. C plus E is 120. 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Even if you do, please check it out if the calculation is correct. If the calculation is correct, our answer will be correct. Let us do 110 plus 112 plus 113. I don't want to go calculation wrong. Plus 114 plus 116 plus 117 plus 118 plus 119 plus 120 plus 121, which is 241, which is 1160. A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 290. To get C, do A plus B and D plus E. A plus B is 110. D plus E is 121. 110 plus 121, 231. If it is 231, C will be 59. If C is 59, A is 53. Kindly reply in the live chat if this is clear to you. Right? Which is clear to you. Now, if it is non-distinct, I might not be able to say uniquely that this is the answer. Sai, I hope it is clear, right? Now, this should not be solved like this. This should not be solved like this in the examination, right? This should be solved a little differently. Now, I will solve this question little differently. Now, method 2. Method 2. There are 5 distinct weights. So, the distinct weights I will call them as A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. Lowest is A plus B is 110. Next it is A plus C is 112. D plus E is 121. C plus E is 120. Right? What is the another equation we got? 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. We got it as 1160. So, A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 290. From this, we will get all the values. Now, why I said it should be 2? Think logically. A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than E. If A plus B equivalent to 110, A is less than B. If both A and B are equal, then there will be equivalent A equivalent to 55. If A is less than B, A has to be less than 55. Are you all with me? Lowest weight has to be less than 55. Lowest weight has to be less than 55. Are you all with me? That's exactly I realized. When all the weights are of the form 54, 56, 58, it has to be doublet. It cannot be triplet. Are you all with me? It has to be a doublet. It cannot be a triplet. It cannot be a triplet. Now, why these 4 is added? A is added with B. A is added with C. A is added with D. A is added with E. B is added with C. B is added with D. B is added with E. C is added with D. C is added with E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What are the other cases that is there? B with C, B with D, B with D, A with D. What is the another case that is remaining? 3, 6, 7, 9. So D is there with E. Hrishikesh, for you, A is added 4 times. So 4 in addition of all these. 4A, B is added 4 times, 4B, C is added. Sum of the weights of all the pairs, 4 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E. I hope why 4 is clear to you. 4 means A is added with every other number. There are 4 more numbers, so it will be 4 into A. hint is A plus B equivalent to 110. A is less than B. That means A has to be less than 55. If A is less than 55, see here, if A is less than 55, if I take A value 54, if I take A value 54, from the equation B will be 56. From the equation C will be 58. From the equation E will be 62. From the equation D will be 59. Am I right? So A plus B equivalent to 110. If A is less than B, both are equal at 55. Both are equal at 55. Because A is less than B, A has to be less than 55. If I assume A equivalent to 54, these are all the values which I got. A 54, B will be 56, A 54, C will be 58, E will be 62. Now check whether all the sums are getting it. So what is that cases that we got? 54, 56. If this case is wrong, then I will go to 58, 59, 62. All the possible sum I should get. 110 is 54 plus 56. 112 is 54 plus 58. 113 is 54 plus 113. 114, where is the 114 case? 54 plus 56 plus 58. Where is 116 case? 116. Which case will give you 116? 116, 54, 116 means unit digit 6. 4, 8, 13, not possible. 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus 116 case is not possible. That means my assumption is incorrect. What is my assumption? A equivalent to 54 is incorrect. So A equivalent to 53 is the right answer. I hope you have understood method 2, how you can check by using answer option. A plus B equivalent to 110. A is less than B. A has to be less than. A has to be less than. By looking at a question itself, I have said that A plus B equivalent to 110. A is less than B. It has to be less than 55. It has to be less than 55. We are stuck only in these two options. I hope the logic is clear to you. Similarly, highest also we can determine. Highest is D plus E equivalent to 121. D is less than E. That means E has to be greater than 60.5. D has to be greater than 60.5. We require for 116. 116 is 54 plus 62. 117 is 58 plus 50. 118. Now even if something 116 is satisfying, check it out for 117. 117 is 58 plus 59. 118. How you will get 118? 118 is 56 plus 62. How you get 119? 119. You tell me the value of 62 is 59 plus 62. This is, I hope you have understood the idea. This is 59 plus 62. This is 58 plus 62. How you got this 119? 119. Please tell me the answer for 119. Which case will give you 119? Assume 114 if there is a case. Tell me where am I getting 119? Understand the idea, sir. All the 10 pairs comes. This value is right. If something is missing, that pair is incorrect. Please tell me how you will get 119. So 114, 116, people are saying that 54 plus 62 is right. 118 is 56 plus 62. 119, where the case 119 is there. 119. Can somebody tell me where 119 case will come? Idea is A plus B equivalent to 110. A is less than B. A is less than 55. Answer value should be less than 55. Is that first key point? Is it clear? is that first key point. Is it clear? 119. Once you got a less than 55, if you put 54, you will get the set of all the values. That set of 5 values should satisfy the 10 values. If at least one value is not satisfying, my assumption of A54 is incorrect. So therefore answer is 53. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear. If it is clear. Method number 2. Method number 2 and method number 1. Any doubt, kindly mention. Any doubt, kindly mention. Reply it in the live chat so that I will get into the next problem. I hope it is clear. Everybody. Distinct weight problem. I hope it is clear. Next one. Second question. Which of the following is the 7th digit from the left on 203 whole cube? Concept. A plus b whole cube is a cube 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube, right? So here b is taking a unit digit. If it is taking unit digit, all these places will take only the unit digit, which we discussed in our class. All these places will take the unit digit. 203 whole cube, 20/3 whole cube. This is a cube. Next is 3a square b. Next is 3ab square. And next is b cube. Next is b cube. 20 cube. 20 cube is 8 followed by 3 zeros. Here I will write unit digit. Here I will write unit digit. 3 cube is 27. 7 I will write. Now if you see here, this is unit digit here, this is unit digit here. 7th digit from the left. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. So what is nothing but 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Answer for this question is 7. I hope the idea is clear. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If b is taking unit digit, every place write down the unit digit. Every place write down the unit digit. 3 cube is 27, 7. So here I will write unit digit. You don't need to find the calculation. Here you will write unit digit. 20 cube is 8000. So 7th digit from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is nothing but 7. Idea clear? It is nothing but 7. First, second question. Answer is 7.